Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Lightroom for editing video thumbnails. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe website. Search for Adobe Lightroom in the search bar. Select the appropriate link to reach the Lightroom download page. On the download page, locate the free trial button. Click the free trial button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to sign in or create an Adobe account. Follow the instructions to sign in or complete the account setup. Once signed in, select your operating system if prompted. The download should automatically start. Locate the downloaded file in your system's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue with the installation. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose your desired installation location or leave it as the default. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Launch to open Lightroom. Sign in with your Adobe account to access Lightroom. Now you are ready to start editing video thumbnails in Adobe Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.